How to change Discord password if you have forgot it, how you can simply reset it. For this, you simply have to open the Discord application on your PC or on your mobile device, and then whenever you will open it, it will take a few seconds to be uploaded or to be updated here. Wait for this and open it on your home screen of your PC. Now, let me just simply open it here. This is the home page, and I will go to the setting option. And from the left setting, you should click on my profile. Then scroll down here in the privacy and safety setting. There is an option of your password to reset it to get your password here. So let me just click on server setting, and I cannot see the password setting within this account. I can see I should go to the my account section. Yes, on the below you can see there is an option to change your password. Click on this, and here you have to enter your current password which you have right now, and then enter the new password. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this.